Hey guys, it's Gabby, and today is going to be Season 1, Episode 3. Actually, it's not Season. New Year wondering, with the LOLs. New Year wondering, where's the LOL doll house? Well, today, we're not going to be doing that. The LOL dolls are going to be going on an adventure with some slime. And today, we are going to be collabing with Lake Forest North Elementary. So thank you, Lake Forest North Elementary, for giving a sponsor. Well, actually, it's not a sponsor or a collab. We're just using this today. So thank you for Lake Forest North Elementary for letting me keep this as a prize. It's the best. It makes our slime nice and stretchy. It's the best. Yeah. So let's go get in the LOLs. So where's all the LOLs? Here's one. Strut! Coming! Here's Strut, guys. What's that? Oh, this is slime. Slime. Yeah, I know. You've always been telling me to do this. Do this video, huh? Yeah? Yeah, I love slime. Yeah, guys, she kind of sounds like that right now because she's kind of sick. So I'm going to give her some medicine. Oh, that's so much better. Yeah, there's her normal voice. She's been sick for 2 days, but now she's getting better. Stop darling, can you go into the other LOLs? I'm pretty sure they want to see it. Oh, hey, Fancy. Hey, what is this? Oh, this is slime. This is slime, Fancy. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Oh, hi. Hey. Oh, well, this is slime, Fancy. What's this then? It's a video. It's a camera? Yes, of course it's a camera. It's a security camera? No, it's not a security camera. Like that? No, it's not a security camera. You're going to be uploaded to YouTube. Hi. And just so you guys know, this is glow in the dark. Wait, I want to Riley hate me something. Riley, I miss your LOL. I'm like with my dang diva with it. I said hi to her. Bye, love you. Oh, don't mind that. Can you go get the other LOLs? This is a new furniture LOL. We got it in our LOL furniture. Oh, whoops, slime. Have you ever tested? I want to go inside of it. Well, you guys are going to be inside some slime today. And just so you guys know, you're going to see the LOLs go inside some slime. Okay, girls, move out of the way, because I need to put you guys inside some slime. Woo! Okay, so, since we don't have the LOL OMGs yet, we're going to use her as the mom. Okay, this is the mom. She has like kind of like another doll. Yeah. Make the neat pile. Make it. You make a pile. So here's the neat pile. It's not really a neat pile. It's not really a neat pile, but this is where the LOLs are gonna go. This is where the LOLs are gonna go.